Out of the Mercy Dash that had part of Western Sydney buzzing. As our population booms, a thriving bee colony was caught in the middle of a wastewater upgrade. So Sydney Water called in the experts to ensure no creature, great or small, was hurt. But a greater threat was looming.
On a mighty mission to save our tiny superheroes. European honeybees, but this time a killer has beaten them to it.
I'm totally devastated. I was going to be taking this home. What I was hoping was that this was a strong colony able to deal with Varroa and I could breed from her.
The mite, Varroa destructor, is a parasite that also opens the hive door to others.
This is what we call a slime out. That's when small hive beetle take over. They lay their eggs and the larvae come through and destroy the honey and comb. And that makes the bees abscond. That means pack their bags and leave and find another home.
Mike Allerton was called in by Sydney Water to save what was a thriving colony in a tree marked for removal on Richmond Golf Course.
Unfortunately, a few trees like this one need to get down to progress further. Getting a pipeline through.
It's part of its $185 million upgrade of wastewater infrastructure, catering to Western Sydney's booming population.
Try and save as much native wildlife species and native plants that we can.
The first mite infestation in Australia was only discovered in 2022. For years, our authorities kept this killer at bay, even holding ships with infested bees on board at sea to protect our local bees.
Since Varroa came in, that's decimated the honeybee population. A third of our food comes from honeybee pollination, so that's going to impact agriculture across the country.
When Mike first chipped in, he did find a long-lost golf ball. Now he's looking for the displaced colony.
So I could take them home, build them up, and they could go on to live a long, happy life.
Ali Donaldson for 10 News First.